Hello, I'm Dr. Che and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about conditional sentences. This is video number 2, conditional sentences. And as you know, this is advanced English grammar course. And we are at topic number 4, and there are more than 27 common grammar topics in my course. All of them are very important. So open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. Let us look at the description box for updates and link to my Facebook groups. These are very important groups, so join them. Like and comment to encourage me of this video, share to help others, and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to get more videos on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening, and reading. Second, conditional sentences. These are used to express future outcomes that are almost impossible. Future outcomes that are almost impossible or unlikely to happen in the future. Remember, and remember the difference between first conditional and second conditional. First conditional is something that is possible and likely in future. Second conditional is something that is impossible or unlikely in future. This is the main difference between first conditional and second conditional. If it rained tomorrow, I would not, I wouldn't, I would not is longer. I wouldn't is a shorter contraction. I wouldn't go to school. If I won the lottery, I would buy a new car. Look at the sentence structure. Here we are using past simple, and here we are using would plus infinitive, would plus first form of verb. This is for second conditional, when there is something impossible or unlikely to happen. If I won the lottery, I would buy a new car. I know I would not win any lottery, so I am not going to buy any car. So it is impossible for me. If so, I will say, if I won the lottery, I would buy a new car. If the weather is very good, and I would say, if it rained tomorrow, I know it is impossible and it is unlikely that it will rain tomorrow. So if it rained tomorrow, I wouldn't go to school. Sentence sentence structure, as I told you earlier. If plus we use past simple, if plus past simple, and with the main clause we will use would plus first form of verb. Would plus first form. If I sorry if I won the lottery, I would buy a new car. If I won the lottery, I would buy a new car. Won past simple, I would buy, would plus first form of verb. Difference between first and second conditional sentences, as I have told you earlier. Remember, the main difference between first and second conditional is if something is in your imagination or in real life is possible or impossible or unlikely. If it is possible or likely to happen, this will be first conditional. It is impossible or unlikely to happen, it would be second conditional. Let us look. If it rained tomorrow, I wouldn't go to school. In this sentence, when I see the weather is pleasant, there is no chance of rain, or weather forecast on television or radio is that there are no chances of rain tomorrow. So I would say, if it rained tomorrow, I wouldn't go to school. This is second conditional, something that is unlikely to happen. Now look at the first conditional. Here in this sentence, my imagination is that weather is cloudy or there is a weather forecast of rain for tomorrow. If it rains tomorrow, I will not go to school. If it rains tomorrow, I won't. Will not, contraction of will not is won't. WON apostrophe T, won't. Yeah, I will teach you in class of apostrophe and contractions. If it rains tomorrow, I won't go to school. So this is the almost similar sentence, but here my imagination is that tomorrow there are more chances, there is likely that it will rain. So if my imagination is this, then I will use first conditional. If it rains tomorrow, I won't go to school. If plus verb be. If plus verb be. One important point to mention here is when after if the verb is be, we can use were if after any of the subjective pronouns like he were, she were, I were, we were. We know that in our past sentences, for example, we use after he we use was. He was going to school. After she we use was. She was going to school. After I we use were with a normal simple with a normal past tense. So with if with conditional, especially second conditional, we use with he we can use were, with she we can use were, with I and we can also use were. This is a classical grammar, and nowadays in modern grammar we are also using was, and this is becoming more trendy to use was with he, she or it. After he, she or it, we can also use was in conditional, second conditional. Examples: if I were a millionaire, I would buy an airplane. I am not a millionaire. I am not thinking that I in next 30, 40 or 50 years I would be a millionaire. So this is my impossible or unlikely for me. If I were a millionaire, I would buy an airplane. If any of you is possible that he will be a millionaire, how will you will use this sentence? Okay, write in the comment box. If she were a millionaire, no, we can with she we can use were, and with she we can also use was. If she were a millionaire, she would buy an airplane. If she was a millionaire, she would buy an airplane. In modern grammar, we can use both of them with he, she, or it. In classical, the was considered as an error. Alternatives of would, very important. We don't always use would in second conditional. We can also use other modal verbs. In second conditional, instead of would, we can also use other auxiliary modal verbs like should. We can also use should. We can also use could. We can also use might. So these are alternatives of would. Common mistakes with the second conditional is, what is common mistake? If it rains tomorrow, I wouldn't go to school. If it rains tomorrow, I wouldn't go to school. We can see in this sentence is neither first conditional nor second conditional. If it was a first conditional, it would be if it rains tomorrow, I will not go to school. This is first conditional. If it is second conditional, here would be rained. If it rained tomorrow, I wouldn't go to school. So this is neither first conditional nor second conditional. This is common mistake that students make. They put present simple in the first part and they put would in the second part, and this is a mistake. This is common mistake. If something is unlikely or impossible, then we need to put past simple with if clause. If it rained tomorrow, I wouldn't go to school. Go to school. If the same sentence by imagination or in reality it is something that is more likely, then I will change it to will. If it rains tomorrow, I won't go to school. I wouldn't go to school. I will not go to school. I won't go to school. Want is contraction WONT apostrophe T. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share with other students also. Let me see. Thank you. So look at description box for updates and link to my Facebook group. Share, subscribe for more courses on vocabulary, grammar, reading, writing, listening, speaking, all of these courses. Thank you very much.